Welcome back to the channel, car family. Today, we are diving into something absolutely wild. If you think you've seen everything the electric vehicle market has to offer, think again. Standing right behind me is the all-new 2026 Dongfeng 007. This isn't just another generic electric sedan. It is a tech-loaded, high-performance fastback that looks like a spaceship and drives like a supercar, all while keeping a mainstream price tag. Just look at this thing. The exterior design of the Dongfeng 07 is an absolute masterclass in aerodynamics, boasting an incredibly low drag coefficient of just 0.209. Up front, you get these ultra-sharp, split LED headlights paired with intelligent, interactive butterfly projection lamps that can project different light patterns onto the ground. Walk around the side, and the drama continues with completely frameless doors, flush-fitting electronic door handles. Stepping inside is like jumping into a luxury lounge with a heavy dose of sci-fi. The minimalism here is beautiful, but the technology steals the show. Right in front of the driver is an 8.8-inch digital instrument panel that actually flips up into a dedicated, aggressive combat mode when you want to drive hard. In the center sits a massive 15.6-inch intelligent touchscreen running a lightning-fast Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. Now, let's talk about what's happening under the hood, or rather, beneath the floorboards, because Dongfeng is offering incredible versatility here. You can get the 007 as a pure battery electric vehicle, or as a range-extended hybrid. The standard rear-wheel drive EV versions pump out 218 to 272 horsepower, with an ultra-low energy consumption of just 11.9 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers. With all of this mind-blowing tech and performance, you'd expect a price tag that breaks the bank. But Dongfeng is playing dirty in the best way possible. Depending on your region and whether you choose the entry-level range-extended model or the absolute top-of-the-line dual-motor EV with the scissor doors, the price generally spans from around $25,000 to $40,000 USD. Dongfeng also did not cut any corners when it comes to keeping you and your family safe. The 007 has already secured a flawless 5-star safety rating. The vehicle body structure is a rolling cage of strength, built with over 71% high-strength steel and more than 20% hot-formed structural steel, reinforced by a standard package of 8 airbags. Underneath, the Mach-E battery pack has passed brutal testing, including a 10mm steel needle puncture test. To summarize, the 2026 Dongfeng 007 is a spectacular achievement. It takes the gorgeous styling of a European Grand Tourer, injects it with blistering hyper-EV performance, packs it with genuinely useful, futuristic cabin technology, and backs it up with a top-tier safety shield, all for a fraction of what the competition charges. If you are looking to break away from the crowd and drive something that feels like the absolute future without emptying your bank account, this car demands your attention. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more cutting-edge car reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.